Hey guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the font awesome icons on your website. So why getting late? Let's get started. First go to fontawesome.com. You can start for free and get a gift. Choose your email account. And you go here in your mail. You have to give a password. Your password should be in 6 characters. And set your name. I'm giving it 2019. I don't have one. I'm just giving it Facebook. So you can write the code and on your website. So you have to copy the starter kit, copy it and paste it here, and you can use it. Giving a class and make icons and now use whatever you want. Just search here, search the icons. I'm using the Facebook icon. Search for it. Which are the ash color? This is the pro level. You have to pay for this. You can't use it freely. You can use this. I'm using this. Just copy this code and paste it right here. Now you can see the font. It's really small. You can see it. I'm giving the font size. It's a font size. It's not the width or height. It's organized with font size. Giving it 50 pixels. Now you can see it clearly. We give it 200 pixels. It's more larger than before. So you can use any kind of icons from this font awesome. Thank you.